What is up, Team Tiarrea B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn almost anything that is material stretchy enough into a scarf. So today we're going to be using a regular shirt. This is how the shirt looks regularly. It is just a regular shirt. It's stretchy material, straight out the dryer. And we're just going to go ahead and take this shirt and turn it into a head wrap. So I hardly ever buy head wraps because you can turn almost anything into a head wrap if it has the right material. So anywho, I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys really quick. It's going to be a super quick tutorial. You basically want to go ahead and take the shirt and upside down like this, and then bend it inside. So just kind of a little bit ways inside, and then turn it around and place it on your head. Once you do that, you should be at this point where the back is covered. Everything should be covered. You can release your ears or leave them in. I like to release my ears. And so once you get to this point, you want to be careful for your edges. You want to begin to slowly twist. And as you twist, you get a nice twist there. You want to go ahead and begin to create a ball. That's okay because we'll cover that up there. But you want to just give it a nice firm twist as you go. As you can see, it's already making a beautiful ball. And now we're just left with the sleeves. So you can go ahead and just continue to wrap it on and continue that same twisting motion. Pretty soon you'll just be down to those two little sleeves, and you can carefully tuck those. At this point, you want to pull just a little bit to make sure it's tight, and then go ahead and take the two little pieces that were left and lift up a piece that's inside and tuck those two pieces right underneath. And at that point, you will have a nice secure ball at the top. We did not have to add any rubber band, any type of bobby pins or nothing, sis. Like, you literally just in the game, and it will stay like that all day. Like, you can leave this a little bit puffy if you want. You can tuck it some more if you want, but I think that's cute just the way it is. So I will leave it, and then you could just kind of adjust it so you can see your edges. And as you can see, I am fully covered and cute, ready to go. So yes, you guys, tell me what you think. I think it's so pretty these days. We are just embracing who we are. We are embracing our culture. We are enjoying being able to just be natural and mind our own business. Okay, we can keep our plaits underneath, and we can cover our hair with a nice little head wrap so that we can continue on. You can even be deep conditioning with your hair wrap. You could put like a Walmart bag on your hair while you're got your deep conditioner in, and then you can put a wrap on top just like this and be cute and let that deep conditioner do what it needs to do if you need to step out somewhere. So anywho, I just want to bring you guys a super quick tutorial on how to turn almost anything into a hair wrap. I hope you like it. Comment down below, hit the thumbs up for me, and let me know. I am Tiarrea B, and I am out. Bye.